I'm Flor Melana, and today I want to go over Discover Peach and their clothes. So they sent me some items and I want to talk about each of the items but also show you how I would wear them in a more just relaxed and casual way. Of course you can wear all of this to the gym, and while that's great, I want to show you some looks that are more out and about, especially because spring is coming up, and these are definitely perfect for that. So let's start with the first one. This is the Margot funnel sweater. It's so comfy. What I love most is how warm it is, and also this collar. It's like a funnel, and it's so stylish, but at the same time very warm. You can wear it with like a pencil skirt and some pointy flats, or you can wear it like I did with a pencil skirt and some sneakers. So very casual and just super nice. I also like that they have this sweater in a light pink right now, and it's also on sale on their website, so I'm gonna link it below. But that color is amazing. It wasn't around when I ordered the sweater, so I got this gray one, but it works with everything, so I love it. The second item is this sweater, and it's called the Lucia jacket, but it's more like a sweater. It's very thick. I love that about it. And then also just the front of it, you can wear it in so many different ways. So one look is to wear it open. I would definitely wear it with a black dress. You can wear it with really with anything, some leggings, but it's super casual, and at the same time it's just very stylish. You can also button it on the inside and just kind of wear it with one side out, and it looks really pretty. Or you can just button it all the way up and it's just like cross buttoned, and it also comes in black, so it's really nice. And this next piece, this is the Alva jacket. It's sort of like your jean jacket version in black and in like a silky fabric. And while it's great and I love it because it's so comfy and it's actually warm, I definitely would not wear it alone here in the Bay Area, so I wouldn't pay that much, just because here it's always like either really cold or it's like, you know, not warm enough to where you can wear it just with something else underneath. I'm always layering, so definitely guilty of doing that. But for the summer, I think it's great, and it's just really soft and silky, and I'm sure that you can probably pair it with like a pencil skirt as well and some heels and kind of give it a more dressy look. But this is the Alva jacket, and I got it in a size medium just in case I wanted to layer underneath. So yeah, let's go to the next piece. This is the bar mini skirt with the capri leggings, and this is so comfy. Even though I got the wrong size because I got a large, I don't know why, I should have gotten a medium, but even though I got the wrong size, it fits me fine. It fits me actually really nice, except for the waist where it's a little loose. But it's great because it just hugs your skin in all the right places, and you just feel so comfy, like you don't want to take them off. And I would just wear it with a sweater, some sneakers. You can wear it to the gym, you can wear it out for a run, anywhere you go, to the store, grocery shopping. There's just, I mean, you know, workout clothes, like you just want to wear them everywhere. And these leggings are great, but the detail of the skirt, I think it's what's the most, I don't know, what just really caught my attention and what made me get this piece. So yeah, I definitely would suggest that you guys check out their website, see all the stuff that they have, and personally I would go for the sale items because regular price is a little pricey, although the fabric is great because even when you wash it, it just looks exactly the same after 2 to 3 washes, so that's always a plus. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just comment below, and like I said, I'm going to share the links to all of these items so that you guys can get them as well.